What is up, YouTube? Niner Faithful 52 here, back with another sneaker unboxing review. Today we have another purchase from eBay. Shout out to eBay once again. And as you can see by the title, these are the Jordan 1 lows, the SEs, the diamond shorts, as they're calling it. And as your typical eBay card here, you get your authentic without a doubt card here. Comes in, they throw in this nice little packaging here, that way your box doesn't get damaged. Here are the shoes. Put the box to the side. Typical Jordan 1 low box, the black with the gold emblem here. And here they are, Air Jordan 1 low SE. Colorway is black multicolor white, size 10. Retail price, it says nothing, which is kind of weird. But it says suggest the retail USD. And then here's your typical eBay sticker here. And typical Jordan paper here, 23. And here they are. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. So for starters, this is a new book. I want to say it's new book. Yeah, it's just straight new book. The all black everywhere. Yep, everywhere. Except the tongue, obviously. And then, which is nylon, I believe. Got your black laces. And so you got your white toe box. Got your white swoosh. The white heel with the black hint of the Air Jordan Wings logo, which is dope. I got the white heel, got the white midsole, of course. And you got this translucent bottom. I was gonna call it like a milky outsole, but it has a translucent look to it. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's translucent, almost like some kind of like an Easter vibe, kind of, you know, that Jordan 11 low, the what's it called, the iridescent, I believe. I forgot the actual name of it, but it has that sort of vibe to it. The bottom here, and also it's on the swoosh, and you guys could barely see it there. Maybe I don't have much lighting in this room. Right there, maybe. The heel too, you can see it right here. So it's all in the white, basically. You see that? There we go. There we go. And then here's a better look on this side, on the swoosh. It's a leather swoosh. And on the toe box as well. Let's see. Yeah. Yep. Now, to me personally, right? I mean, I missed out on these on the Nike app or whatever, but I just wish it was just a simple white. I don't know why they did it like this, but I'm not mad at it because of the colorway. I mean, I'll probably see how it looks out in the sun and whatnot, but it doesn't have your 23 here. Here's the diamond shorts. That's what they're calling here, the little emblem here. It's also has that iridescent look to it also. And then let me see the inside real quick. So here's, take out the shoe tree real quick, and then you just have your black footbed with the white Jumpman in there, and that's pretty much it. So I mean, it's overall it's just a clean, simple black and white Jordan 1 low, new book, and then it has this iridescent, or whatever you guys want to call it, shine to it, and it has the translucent bottom with that iridescent look to it also. But nonetheless, I mean, it's a pretty clean shoe. Let me see the other one real quick. Yeah, the other one has the eBay tag here. Yeah, nonetheless though, it's a clean pair, I'm not gonna lie. I am trying to get the mid version of this also, because I heard the white, probably like right here, not the heel, but the mid part here is just like a solid white. And they're saying the mid is better, which honestly it does, but I mean I got my hands on these first, so I mean we're just gonna have to wait. But yeah, that would be definitely be my next sneaker pickup. But yeah, this, I mean, not bad. What do you guys think about this shoe? I mean, do you guys agree with me? If this was just straight white, without this whole iridescent look to it, or whatever you want to call it, emerald, I believe is the term, maybe, look to it. If it was just a simple black and white, and then just with the straight icy bottom, maybe, I think these would be more like sought after, or they would be worth more. But that's just my opinion. What do you guys think? But that's pretty much it, guys. Just a little unboxing, little quick review, quick look at the shoe. Tell me, you guys, what you think in the comments below. And yeah, this has been pretty much it. It's been my little review here. These Jordan 1 lows, the SEs, the diamond shorts. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.